Hi guys, here 81 divided by 3 square is 9 plus 5 times 2 minus 6. Here 81 divided by 9 is 9 plus 5 times 2 minus 6. Here 9 plus 5 is 14 times 2 minus 6. Here 14 times 2 is 28 minus 6. Here 28 minus 6 is 22 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 22 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket, higher priority, this is the exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also these addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. We don't have the bracket in this problem. The next priority is exponent. We have the exponent here is 3 power 2. We have to do this 3 power 2 before this operation. Here 81 divided by 3 power 2 is 9 plus 5 times 2 minus 6. Here the next priority is multiplication and division. So we have to do this division and multiplication before this addition and subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are both are equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right rule. Here left to right is this 81 divided by 9. So we have to do this 81 divided by 9 before this operation. So 81 divided by 9 is 9 plus 5 times 2 minus 6. Here we have addition, multiplication and subtraction. Here multiplication is higher priority than this addition and subtraction. So we have to do this multiplication before this addition and subtraction. So 9 plus 5 times 2 is 10 minus 6. Here we have addition and subtraction. Here addition and subtractions are both are equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right rule. Here left to right is 9 plus 10 is 19 minus 6. Here 19 minus 6 is 13 is the correct answer.